Today, we will be looking at question 8A from the May 2019 Csec Mathematics Paper 2 examination. The functions f and g are defined by f of x is 9 all divided by 2x plus 1 and g of x is x minus 3. We are required to 1. State the value of x that cannot be in the domain of f. And 2. Find in its simplest form expressions for f g of x and the inverse function f of x. Let us look at part 1. State the value of x that cannot be in the domain of f. We know that f of x is 9 all divided by 2x plus 1. Let us recall, a rational function is undefined if the denominator is equal to 0. In other words, what number am I going to substitute for x so that my denominator becomes 0? To do this, we can simply equate the denominator to 0 and transpose for x. Now we will have 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So to make x a subject, we are going to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation, which will give me 2x is equal to -1. Step 2, we are going to divide both sides of our equation by 2, which my final answer now is x is equal to -1/2. Therefore, the value of x that cannot be in the domain of x is -1/2. Let us substitute. So 2 times -1/2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Great job. Let us look at another question. Find in its simplest form expression for fg of x. You may pause the video and attempt this question. Great job. Let us see if our answers are the same. So we know that the function f of x is 9 all divided by 2x plus 1, and the function g of x is x minus 3. Please recall, to determine an expression for a composite function, we are going to plug the second function into the first function. In this question, our second function is g and our first function is f. So we are going to plug g of x into f of x. Now we have the function fg of x is 9 all divided by 2g of x plus 1. Please note that here we are substituting g of x with x, which gives me 9 all divided by 2 times x minus 3 plus 1. So to dissolve the parentheses, we can simply distribute. So 2 times x will give me 2x, and 2 times -3 will give me -6. So I will have 9 all divided by 2x minus 6 plus 1. My final answer, 9 is equal to 2x minus 5. Did you get 9 all divided by 2x minus 5? Great job. Let us look at the other question. Here we are required to find in its simplest form an expression for the inverse of f of x. You may pause the video at this time and attempt this question. Fantastic. Let us see if our answers are the same. So we know f of x is 9 all divided by 2x plus 1, which we can rewrite as f of x is 0x plus 9 all divided by 2x plus 1. Why are we rewriting? To find the inverse of a rational function, we interchange the coefficient of x in the numerator with the constant in the denominator and change the signs. So the coefficient of x in the numerator is 0. Recall, 0x plus 9 is still 9. So the value in the numerator does not change. And the constant in the denominator is 1. Now that we have identified the coefficient of x in the numerator and the constant in the denominator, we are going to interchange and change their signs. So which gives me the inverse function f of x is negative 1x plus 9 all divided by 2x plus 0, which we can rewrite as the inverse function f of x is negative x plus 9 all divided by 2x. Or you can rewrite as the inverse function f of x is 9 minus x all divided by 2x. Did you get any of these answers? Excellent. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.